Hi everybody! Today in this tutorial we're going to take a look at our Add Elements feature here at AImagelab. The Add Elements tool can be used in post-production after you generate your images in the editor, but you can also upload an image or select one from your gallery to work with. This feature is very powerful because it allows you to customize your image or photograph even further by adding specific elements wherever you want inside the picture. For this tutorial, we'll be using this beautiful ceramic pot made by an artist, and we're going to create something to showcase how this feature works. So let's suppose you have this clean product image on your online shop, but you want to add a variation of it by adding elements to give it more context and purpose. For this example, we're going to try something simple. As you can see, above the photo, we have the options Add and Erase. Erase is used when you want to remove something from the image, and Add is for adding new elements. It's very straightforward. Once you activate Add, you'll see the cursor over the image. Wherever you draw and expand the selection box, you'll be able to insert text that describes what you want the AI to add. You can move the box around or resize it until it fits exactly where you want the new element to appear. On the side, you'll also see font size and color options. This is just to improve contrast between your instructions and the image, making it easier for the AI to read the text and avoid misunderstandings. Let's write, add here a dark mahogany table. While using the app, I noticed that including Add here in the prompt works extremely well because it tells the AI exactly where the new element should appear. After testing many times, this was the method that gave me the most control over the results. Then we just hit Generate and wait. And now, see, there we have our mahogany table. We even got a matching shadow on the surface beneath it, which is pretty cool. Now I'm going to add another element to this image. Let's try. Add here a glass of white wine. And let's see what happens. The placement box is important because it tells the AI where to put the new element. Within the area we select, the AI analyzes the best position so it doesn't overlap with the ceramic art piece. And here we go, a perfect glass of white wine right where we wanted it. Now let's add one more element just to keep testing the feature. This time I'll type, add here a fresh Greek salad, and then we generate. These boxes work like a framing guide for the AI, so it knows exactly where to place the new element, without needing long or complex instructions like on top of the pot or beside the object. It's much faster to just draw the box and say, add here. And as you can see, we've got an amazing Greek salad placed precisely where we wanted it. No extra description needed. It works incredibly well. Now we're going to try adding another element, this time using this beautiful piece of jewelry made by a local artist. I'll enhance the image by writing, add here a reflective surface. To properly test the Add Elements feature, I'm not going to specify where the reflection should be. I'm purposely avoiding detailed positioning so we can see how well the box alone determines placement. And there we go. We got a clean reflection of the ring right here. It didn't add anything else, just mirrored the piece nicely. I'm happy with the result. Now let's try another one. This time I'll write, add here a gradient sunset background. Let's see what happens. Interesting, very interesting. We got the sunset background, and it also affected the surface, giving it a matching tone. The ring even took on a slightly warmer, yellowish shade that blends with the background. It's fun to see how the colours interact. I'm not entirely sure if it shifted the original colour of the ring a bit, but it definitely produced a cool aesthetic. Just to be sure, I'll undo the generation and check the before image. Yeah, the gradient sunset was a bit strong, so let's try again. Add here a subtle sunset gradient background. I'm not overthinking the prompt wording too much because that's exactly what I want to test, how flexible the feature is. Much better. Simply adding the word subtle gave us a smoother gradient that transitions beautifully from top to bottom, blending gently into the white at the base. The result looks really polished. With just a few added elements, we now have a far more refined, almost ready-to-post product image. I'm really happy with this one. It looks great. I believe that wraps up our Add Elements feature here at AImagelab. It's a very simple and powerful way to upgrade your images and generate custom variations, helping your online shop or social media look more visually rich and diverse. With Add Elements, you can enter a pleasant and fun creative flow, transforming your photos into professional-looking visuals that match the style and identity of your brand. Thank you for watching. Try AImagelab for free now, directly in our editor. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a good one.